Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay the Robinhood taxes. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically here we are going to read this article of Robinhood. And simply for your own taxes, Robinhood will automatically send you your taxes documents. And as you can see, Robinhood will email you when the tax documents are ready, and it depends on this date. And it might change sometimes, but then you will need just to come to this Robinhood support and articles here and search for taxes and form. And basically, you will be sent your tax documents and they will be combined into a single PDF and they will be marked as Robinhood and simply you can start filling your tax documents and you can then pay the documents. And as you can see, and also for the Robinhood retirement, you can start receiving your forms or the needed forms for your taxes, and also you can find all the needed forms and informations in these documents of Robinhood. And basically, this is the tax timeline. For each form, it will be sent in some defined date. And those are all the forms if you want the meaning of each form. And basically, you can just come to this article and then you can see what is each form is about, and you can start learning and seeing how you can start paying your taxes with Robinhood. And basically, that's it. All you need is just to wait for your documents to be sent, and you will receive them. And after that, you can start paying your taxes, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.